Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining rearrangement of a formula. So guys, before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and the Discord link will be attached down in the video in the description. So you must join that Discord link for further updates about any new videos that will be posted. So today we'll be doing a rearrangement of a formula. So this is chapter 6.4, which is rearrangement of formula. So this means that if you have any type of equation which can be in numbers or in letters, you can rearrange that equation. So for example, if we have x plus y is equal to c and we have to make y the subject, so what we will do is write y is equal to c minus x. So this will be the answer. Another example is if we have a brackets open n minus m brackets closed is equal to t, and we have to make a the main letter or the main letter. You can say that subject, sorry. So if you have to make a the subject, so what we will do is divide this by n minus m, so this will be cancelled, and t divided by n minus m, so a is equal to t divided by n minus m, so this will be the answer. And the last example for rearrangement of formula is x divided by square root of y is equal to c, and if we have to make y the subject, so what we will do is first we will move x divided by c, which will be x divided by c is equal to square root of y, then we will make this square cancelled and here squared, so the answer will be y is equal to x divided by c squared. If you may want to make this simple or expanded, so we can write y is equal to x squared divided by c squared. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. As I mentioned, below is the Discord link where you can join for further updates, and if you have any question you can just post over there, and see you in the next video. Bye.